Maximize your security light's effectiveness by adjusting their range and sensitivity. Here's a list of supplies you'll need. The first thing to do is to angle the lamp heads correctly. Tilt lamp head up, down, or side to side to adjust light coverage area. To test your motion sensor, you'll need to first put the unit in test mode. Then place the sensor's sensitivity or sense control to its lowest setting. To fine-tune the detection zone, stand beneath the motion sensor, then begin walking in wider and wider circles to determine when the unit is triggered. Use the sensitivity control to adjust the sensor to light up more or less area as needed. Check your adjustment by walking in circles beneath your motion sensor again. Finally, program your lights by switching the unit from test mode to time mode. Then select the amount of time the lights will remain illuminated after being triggered. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.